Good day to all. My name is Amit Sangwan and my YouTube channel name is Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. In this video we will see how to apply for GMDSS endorsement online on the Digi website. For that, first we will see the eligibility. A person renewing his GMDSS endorsement should have a sailing experience of at least 1 year in the last 5 years. Then these documents are required for renewal of the endorsement: Indian GOC plus a renewal certificate if the GOC is more than 10 years old, an Indian CDC with the relevant pages showing 1 year sailing in the last 5 years, then old GMDSS endorsement if available, scanned photograph as per DG guidelines, and then a sea time letter from an RPSL company showing a record of at least 1 year sailing experience in the last 5 years, scanned signature of the candidate as per the DG guidelines, fees of 3000 rupees, and medical certificate issued by DG approved doctor. So these are the documents required and the eligibility required. So for applying the endorsement, we enter into the site www.dgshipping.gov.in. So you type this address and then you click OK. Then this page opens. When this page opens, you go to e-governance. In the e-governance, you go to Seafarers registration. When you click Seafarers registration, this page will open. In this page, you have to type your user ID and your password. The user ID is normally your endorse number and the password is normally your endorse number followed by 1. But if you have changed the password, then you put the new password whatever you have changed. Then you press login. Once you are logged in, this page opens. When this page is opened, you click here DC endorsement GMDSS radio operator. When you click this page, this link, when you click, this screen will open. When this screen opens, you click here application for GMDSS radio operator. When you click on the GMDSS radio operator, this page will open. When this page opens, the first column is your personal details, and the boxes which are marked by blue are already taken up from your endorse, and these details cannot be changed, but these are normally correct. So these details are already filled in. You can just check them whether they are correct or not. Then here you have to write your application, like which office you want to apply to, whether Delhi MMD, Bombay MMD, Chennai MMD. Then your place of examination. All this information will be available from your GOC booklet. Then your GOC booklet number, then valid date of GOC booklet, issue date, your grade, your COC issued, COC number, your application type, whether it is new, whether it is renewal, date of examination, issue date of GOC, certificate number of GMDSS endorsement, COC issued by MMD. This is the previous or the old GMDSS endorsement which you have. Then the medical certificate details you have to fill in from the medical certificate which you have got from the DGS approved doctor. Once you fill in all these details, you press continue. When you press continue, the second page, GMDSS application, opens. In this, you just fill in your address details, and here mode of certificate receive, you click by post so that it will come by post. Put in your email address, mobile number, and all these details: house number, street, village, district, state. Once you fill in all these details, you please press continue and you come on the third page. This is the sea service details. Here you have to fill the sea service of about 1 year, not less than 1 year in the last 5 years. Name of the vessel, port of registry, from date, IMO number, vessel type, rank served, to which date, remarks. Then you click to add sea service, and once you have added all the sea service, you press continue. When you press continue, you come on this page that shows the fees details. The fees will be 3000 rupees. Then you press continue and you come on this page. When you come on this page, this shows the documents which are to be uploaded. That is a scanned copy of signature, signed online application. That is, when you generate this application, that time an application will be generated. You can take a printout of this application. So take a printout, sign it, and then scan it. So first is scan copy of signed application, that is a passport size photograph as per the DGS guidelines. Then scan signature, then record of 1 year of sea service, scan copy of Indian GOC, certificate with renewal pages, a self-attested copy of medical fitness certificate from a DGS approved doctor, and a self-attested scan copy of CDC booklet. Okay, you click here I agree, and when you click here I agree, you click on this generate application number. An application number will be generated. When you have done all this, then you go back to home. Press home from here. When you go back to home, then again you come here on this page, pay COP fees, upload documents. When you click here, this page will open. You have already generated your application number, which will show here. Application number, generation date, application number, application type, your grade, all this information will be filled automatically. Then here you will get the option for payment of the fees, pay fees now. You click on pay fees now, a site will open where you can pay fees. Then this thing will be filled up, paid fees and application status. Now after paying the fees, here under this document upload status, you will get the option to upload the documents. When you click on the upload the documents, you will get a browse feature from where you can upload your documents. So a good thing is to keep all these documents ready on the desktop. Then you click here upload documents, and one by one you upload all the documents. When you have clicked all the documents, uploaded all the documents, you press the submit button. Once you press the submit button, here it will show application received, new application received, and your GMDSS endorsement application is completed. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, if you find it useful, please subscribe my YouTube channel Master Mariner Amit Sangwan. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.